Warm greetings to everyone. Bidding thanks to this opportunity and welcome to my presentation on smart agriculture using Internet of Things in soil and water. Very firstly, I would like to draw your attention to a cartoon that appeared in the Frank and Ernest. In this cartoon, Saturn is asking Earth, Earth, we hardly recognize. Did you have plastic surgery? No, that's just continental drift. And those tattoos we see? No, those are all spills. But hey, what are those little things crawling all over you? People, I have developed a real bad case of people. People, good heavens, it's not contagious, is it? Yeah. Population explosion. The population is touch 9.6 billion by 2050. This will put enormous pressure on the world's resources, particularly the agriculture sector. 56% of more food will be needed. 593 million hectares of more land will be needed. Resources like water will be needed more. But often we face problems like water logging, under and overutilizers, and lack of understanding of the soil health. Hence, it is essential to develop a sustainable measure that will help to increase the output so that the needs can be met. One such solution is a smart agriculture using Internet of Things. Internet of Things combines people, processes, devices, and technology with sensors and actuators, making real-time decisions as well as the actions also. By the year 2050, it is predicted that with agriculture using IoT, 2 billion sensors will be used in 525 months. This will help to increase the food production by 70% and will provide food to 9.6 billion people. So how does IoT? Initially, work of devices. The devices can be sensors or smart machines and even so all these devices will be connected and established. These IoT connected devices will be installed in the field or the protected structure which need to be monitored. They sense the surrounding environment in which they are installed and they will take the necessary readings. These readings will be like, for example, soil moisture content, humidity, pH, EC temperature, something like that according to the farmer's need. And this data is then sent to a server through the internet. Maybe it can be Wi-Fi or through Ethernet, Zigbee, or even mobile data connections. The server, like the cloud computing, it will store the data for the future use, or it can send to the user through desktop apps, etc. After it has done the analysis and processing. Now the user, that is a farmer, views it and he can take actions like turning on or off the motor, switching on or off, something like that. Again, the monitoring will be continued further. So how is IoT transforming the agriculture sector? The very first thing is that the data collection is very efficient. Why? Because they're using sensors. It is not manually collected, the data is collected solely by the sensors. And it uses scalable technologies. This is made possible by using automation, which means the device can adapt to the changes in the environment and can meet the changing needs in the future also. IoT provides a better control of crops and resources, especially with respect to water and fertilizers, because it is being frequently monitored. And this ensures a better quality. And since it ensures, or since it uses automation, there is minimum labor utilized. And all this will eventually result into a better cost management. Now coming to the applications of IoT in soil, and the major important applications will be smart irrigation and the smart fertilizer application. And these two are the needs of the earth. These two are the major ways of wasting our resources and causing some unnecessary pollutions in the soil, water, etc. The IoT technologies continuously monitor the level of moisture in the soil, nutrient content in the soil, water level in the tank, and so and so. And they'll provide timely alerts, switch on or off the systems, thus providing only the needed resources at the required time only. This will help in saving the resources for the future, but no promise the quality. So the problem of wastage can be tackled with the use of IoT. How? That is with the help of smart irrigation. In smart irrigation system, ultrasound based sensors are installed to monitor and this will collect the data and send to the microcontrollers. The common ones are Arduino Uno and Raspberry boards. And Wi-Fi, Zigbees are widely used for the communication in the smart irrigation system. The data collected is often stored in the cloud platform like ThingSpeak. Alarms, fans, and artificial light, etc., are the actuators that are used in this smart irrigation system. In case of smart fertilizer application uses the color sensors to detect the soil nutrient levels. Color sensed is matched with the values that is already in the color chart programmed in the microprocessor. And with comparing to that one, the microprocessor will decide if the nutrient level in the soil is appropriate or not. So if it is not appropriate, then the processor commands the response. For example, if potassium is low, then it will ask the valve to open for potassium and dispense the required amount of fertilizer into the water reservoir. So what's up in India right now? Only 35% of the farmland is reliably in India, and in India, we have the small sized farms as the dominant ones. But still, the agriculture sector holds 8% of the Indian industrial IoT market. Being an agricultural country, there's a huge scope for the expansion of IoT in India. The government initiatives like the Digital India, Make India has led startups, namely Smart Agriculture Project that was initiated by the Nokia and Vodafone India Foundation. Soil Sense, indigenously developed at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and some others like the Fuzzle, Phila, and many more to count, in fact. IoT minimizes the human efforts and simplifies the farming techniques. It helped to grow the market for the farmer with a single minimum efforts. But though IoT has opened up a suitable solution for smart farming, it remains and will remain a dream until connectivity is reached to the rural areas. But if executed well, IoT will definitely revolutionize the agriculture around the globe. Thank you everyone for lending your ears.